Hi guys, today I want to show you how to set up an Instagram bot for free, and all we need for that is a computer in the cloud like Google Cloud Console. We can use one of them, and an Instagram bot hosted on GitHub, and that's all we need, and probably a credit card, but you you will not lose any money. It's totally free, so just check this video out and you will see. Okay, let me start. First of all, you need to create an account on Google. Like everybody have an account on Google, but well, you need one for this video. Okay, what we're gonna do is now we are going to the Google Cloud website and set up a virtual machine instance. And yeah, once we've done that, we can start our Instagram bot. Okay, so let's start. We will open Google Chrome now, and here we see my dashboard of my Google Cloud Console. Now you see here the link, and yeah, just go to consolecloudgoogle.com, make an account, and then yeah, log in, and there you go. Then you are on the same page as me. That's the home page of the Google Cloud, and yeah, let's see what's going to happen here. First of all, you need to create a project. I created one before I started this video. It's called bots. You can call it whatever you want. It's just for organizing purposes. You can just go there and yeah, create a project to keep things organized. Okay, and now we go to the navigation menu, go under computer engine and virtual machine instances. Okay, now we are here. You will see a create button here, and well, my create button is here because I already created an instance. But just for you to understand, before you can create an instance, you will need to put in some credit card information. That's just because Google wants to know your credit card and wants to know that you can pay if something happens. But Google once the first time you create such an account, Google gives you $300 as to begin, just to begin using their services. So we are not going to go over that limit, so that bot will run like for 5 years before it reaches the $300. So don't worry about that. Just put in your credit card information and you're good to go. Okay, let's go and create an instance. Just hit the button, and now we are just typing some information in. Okay, let's start with naming our instance. Name it like whatever. Well, yeah, instance my Instabot 2. It's just give it a name that makes sense, and yeah, you know what that instance of yours is doing. So yeah, when you've done that, you just go there and choose a region where you want the cloud computer to be hosted. Yeah, Google has a few options, and well, it doesn't matter which one you take. So yeah, just take Finland and whatever zone. Now we see the estimated cost is like about 27 bucks. So let's go to the machine type and we just choose micro. And now we see the estimated cost is like much lower and much cheaper. So yeah, that's good. And let's go in and change our boot disk to Ubuntu. Yeah, so that's good, and 10 gigabytes are good enough for us. So just select, allow some HTTP traffic, and yeah, that's all we need for us to start here. Okay, let's go and create the instance. And now we're just going to have to wait a little bit till the instance is ready, so I'm just going to speed up a little bit. Okay, once the instance is ready, well, we can just connect to it by clicking the button Connect SSH. Okay, now let's connect to it. And here we are. Now we are on our instance in whatever region you've chosen. And now we can start. And the first thing we're gonna do is to install Git. Then we need to type in sudo apt get install Git. Type yes, and once it is finished, we're good. Now we can use Git. But now we want, because our project, the Instagram bot, needs a Node.js environment, we're going to install Node.js and its package manager npm. So we are going to that link. It's just on the official Node.js website, and yeah, we can choose for our machine type, and there we go, and there we see it. Here we just need to take this comment and copy it and just go to the instance and paste the comment in there and hit enter. If it doesn't work, just make the same comment with a sudo in front of it. Okay, now we installed Node.js, but we need to take this other comment here too and paste it in there too. So Node.js installed perfectly. So hit enter, and yeah. Now we're good to go. And I'm just cleaning up the console for you to focus on the comments so you don't see all these lines all the time. Okay, now we just need to download the Instagram bot, the source from GitHub. And for that one, we are going to choose the Instagram bot from HobbyDevs. It's a free source, so we are just going to use it for our purposes here. So now let's type git clone and the link of the repository, and yeah, it's that one. Now let's clone it. Okay, now we successfully cloned the repository, and now let's just check it by typing ls. And now we see we have a directory called instabot.js. That's the same name as the repository. Okay, now we can go into the repository and change some things. But to keep things simple, I'm just going to show you how to set up the bot and run it forever. Okay, so we need to go to we need to change the directory and go to instabot.js / build / source / yeah. Now we are in the directory and we see a few files, and one is called bot-config.json. You see it here. We need to modify our configurations in there and put in our username of Instagram and our password so the bot can log in as you. So let's get in and modify the file by typing sudo nano bot-config.json. Okay, now we entered the file, and now you can see a few configurations like the username and the password, and then we see the configurations here. Here is a hashtag array where you can put as many hashtags as you want in here. Just separate them by a comma and put them under double quotes. Yeah, for the hashtags you just need to you just go there and put some hashtags in there of people you want to follow, like people that like designs and whatever, and post pictures of designs and put the hashtag under the picture. You just need to put that hashtag in here, and the bot knows which users to follow, to which pictures to like and whatever, so you can keep things clean in your Instagram. So yeah, you just go there and put in some hashtags. That is only some default hashtags, but you can remove them or just change them, whatever. Okay, but now let's start by bot modes. Bot modes is just a list of tasks he wants should do, and one is some modes, like it's just some modes, and one is the like classic mode, and the other one is follow classic mode. You can just keep it that way, and you're good to go. And some other configurations, how many likes per hashtags he needs to make, and how many likes per day he should make, and whatever. You can just read them through, and you can go to the repository on GitHub and you can read everything. But yeah, just go here and it's a lot of configuration. You can check it out on GitHub, but let's keep it simple and just go there and put in your Instagram name and your password. I'm just going to use a example user that I've created, so don't worry about it. And then we're going to log in as that Instagram user. Okay. John Jones 200 is my Instagram bot, and we are going to use his password. And now we just need to save that file by typing Control X, and you can read it, save modified buffer, and then you type yes, and now you type enter, and now you made your configurations. So what we need to do now is just type node and the file name to run, and that's main.js, and when you hit enter, the bot will start. Okay, we forgot a point, I'm sorry for that, and we're just going to go back some directories. Yeah, that's good that that ever happened. And now this project has some dependencies, and we need to install them so the bot can run. And for that, we just need to go to the source Instagram bot.js directory and type npm install and hit enter. And now he will going to install all dependencies, and then you're good. Now you see he installed some packages, and now we can run our bot. Let's go back to the directory, and it's called build/source, and now we can node main.js, and now he should run. Now we see his logs, and yeah, he already started liking some stuff. Yeah, and we're just going to see what he's doing. I will speed the video a little bit up, but don't worry about it. You will see it on your terminal too. Okay, now we saw that the bot just did some things. He liked 2 pictures and followed 1 user. Yeah, just let's look the pictures up, and he liked 1 picture. You can see the Instagram link here to see what he liked, and just click on it. Then you see the picture. Yeah, it's from whatever user, and it used the hashtag we put in there, and the hashtag is, wait just a bit, the hashtag was follow for follow, and we can see the hashtag probably here. Yeah, follow for follow, and that's the reason the bot liked the picture. Yeah, okay. And he followed another user called unk whatever. Yeah, we can look that user up. Just go here and see it's this user. Yeah, well, we just followed him because whatever. The bot always looks for celebgram accounts and other kinds of stuff, so that you don't follow any user. So the bot filters out what users to follow and what not. So don't worry about that. But okay, the bot is running, that's good. And yeah, just by typing Control C, we will kill the bot, and he will log out and print the stuff he made in total. But yeah, okay, so he made like 4 likes, 0 dislikes, and 1 follow, and 0 unfollow. So yeah, but we want our bot to run constantly, like when you're sleeping and whatever, right? So we need to start that bot in a screen. So we need that bot to start in another mode. Like if we would run our bot right now here with node main.js and close this window here, the process where the bot is running would be killed. So we need to prevent that, and I will show you how to do that. Let's start a screen session. That's, yeah, you don't worry about it, it works. Okay, let's start a screen session by typing screen and hit enter. And now you start a screen session. Now tip whatever, and now you can, whatever we make now, we can deattach from it. That means that we will deattach the process from this terminal, and that means we can kill this terminal and the process will still run. Let me show you how to do that. Now we are in that screen session. Now let's type node main.js and run our bot. Now that our bot is running, we can just deattach from this process. Now it's running. Now you just need to hit Control A D to deattach from this process. Let's do it. Control A D. And now you see here, deattach from this process. This is the process number and whatever. We deattach from this process. That means that it's still running, but we can see it right now, right? Okay. And now we are I'm going to show you how to see if a process is running or still existing by a screen session. So let's type screen minus list. And now we see here the process is still running here. Here we see it. Okay. And now we want to, what if you want to stop the bot or just do some configurations and start the bot again? To do that, we just need to type screen minus R, and that reattaches the terminal to that process. And now we see, hey, the bot is liking some stuff and whatever. Yeah, and yeah, okay, now you maybe kill the bot or whatever and go out again by hitting Control A and D. Now your bot is running forever. Now we can close this window, and yeah, we want to kill it, and yeah, we're good to go. So that's all you need to do. And yeah, this bot costs you like $5 a month, but you have Google's $300. So well, with that $5, you're good to go for a few months. And yeah, that's all you need for a bot for Instagram, and it works perfectly. So just try it. And yeah, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe to see more content of me. And yeah, that's all you need. So have fun with your bot, and yeah.